Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, family. Yes, you make me feel like family. I just got out of the shower and I had shampooed my hair, braided and banded, of course. Now I need to Zoom in on a Bible study with my brother and a few other people. So I don't have time to wait until my hair dries to take care of how I'm going to style it. So this is how I'm going to let my hair stay. Yeah, and I wanted you to see that there is certainly enough space underneath for me to wash my hair. And so this is what it looks like now that I'm out of the shower. So I'm going to do something that you've seen me do before. Maybe not in this way, but a little different. See how I can put my hair up, let it stay, because I'm going to wrap it. And there's no rhyme or reason to the way I'm wrapping my hair. But I did see It's Sonia use a different technique. There we go. Okay. I'm just tucking my hair, the ends into my roots to make it stay. And it's not that damp right now. I mean, it's just damp right now because it's been a while since I washed it and I had that on my head. So I'm going to put on one of my old slap caps. Try not to disturb where I have put these braids. Yeah, I know I probably look like one of the Smurfs, but it's okay. And now I'm going to try that technique that It's Sonia did with her hair. I hope my scarf is not too big. Okay. I do like to have that little thing right there over to the side a little bit. And I'm not pulling it too tight. Then she tied it a couple of times. Not going to pull mine too tight. And then she tucked hers inside. But I think that I am going to try something a little bit different. Well, not too much different. Because what I just saw, I liked it. I like this right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and follow her technique because she tucked it in. And so that's what I am going to do. I'm going to tuck it in. Pull this over to the side a little bit so it's tucked in. And like she said, I think it's kind of cute. So this is how my hair is going to dry today. And this is how I'm going to Zoom with my brother. Thank you for making me feel like family. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God because he's been so good to me. And he keeps putting people in my life that will bless me and encourage me and motivate me to continue to do the things that are right, that are pure, and that makes me happy. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.